just like rip your pants off.
Yep.
She just ripped her pants off.
Sorry, upside down. It's yours.
Yeah. Here's my other, whatever this is. I don't know. It's on this side. I think that's it over on the floor, under the bed over there. It's raining men. Did you find it? Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna have a bruise there.
Why?
Because I keep on stopping myself in the face.
Oh.
You can get cancer if you keep on stopping yourself, you know.
How is that possible?
That's what my mommy told me.
It's like impossible.
That's what my mommy told me.
What? You get cancer if you slap yourself too much.
You're so gay.
That's freaking impossible.
It's true.
How?
Yeah. Slap
Prove it.
yourself and get cancer right there.
Yep.
Make that a notice in your face, in your mind. An image of me. That you die if you slap yourself. So don't do it.
I think she just told you that to get you to stop slapping yourself.
I don't know why. Today's the day. The worst day of my life. And I don't know why. I'm learning to fall. Da-da-da-da. More than some crickets. It's not easy to be
Green.
green.
It's not easy being green.
Oh, it's green. Wait, is it I'm blue, Abu die, right? Or is it I'm blue, if I was green I would die?
Yeah, it's that.
Yeah? If
Yeah.
I was green I would die? That's
Yeah.
what I thought it was, but everyone's like, Abu die. And I was like, if I was green I was die.
Yeah.
Everyone's just like, Abu die. I was like, suck that, bitch. Show that in your pipe and smoke it. And they're like, why would I? I was like, just freaking do it for me. They're like, shut that fucking stuff up. And I was like, no. That's pretty much how it all went down. Man, my mom sent me to a psychologist. Still going to this day. Yeah. He's good. Yeah. He works with me. No problems. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know why my mom keeps me going, because, you know, I don't think I need it.
Dude, shut up.
I just don't think I need it. You know, it's not me. Mom thinks I'm like a psycho or something. I don't know.
Dude, you had a fucking blind, you idiot.
I know, I knocked it down. You were there.
Dude, if you realize that if he did not knock us down, we would have never almost been raped.
We weren't even close to being raped.
Killed, whatever.
We weren't even close to being killed either. Just some guy in my driveway drove
I would have
away.
never got that video.
Well, no, you still would have heard it.
You Yeah, but no blind there had that dramatic effect.
Yeah. Did.
Really caught my eye. So, really, it was quite
Oh, I'm
enjoyable.
missing something.
Where's your pillow?
Made me really happy when it happened. But you know, do what you do.
Your hat. Your green hat.
Oh yeah.
I make videos. I mean, pays the bills. Well, what are you gonna do? What?
Yeah, because I haven't find it.
And your socks.
Yeah, my socks are gone.
Gross. This side's clean.
Dude, it has to be over there.
That side's also clean.
Let's go to bed.
It's the same freaking side.
Get up.
I did not know.
It's true.
Okay. I mean, don't judge me. Remember, Fred? Not my fault. You can't afford pull-ups. You can't afford pull-ups. Don't judge me. If you're not used to like sweet fireworks, you should probably stop watching this video because you might like pass out from like excitement. Yeah, it's good times. It's good stuff. It's good stuff. Quite enjoyable. Yeah.
Missy, you were like the only one word.
Hmm?
You were like the only one word that.
Like what?
Where do you go?
Not here, man.
Yeah, just like this.
I'll mail it to you.
We'll mail it to you. Because we're never gonna see you again.
Again. I love my dad.
That's the most random thing I've ever heard in my entire
I
life.
mean, I do. Gets me everything I want. Good man. Good man.
He's a good man.
Yeah, when you find it, if you ever do.
But I have to judge. Peace.